Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our vlog. This is Kibdance from Kibdance Studios, and we are doing today a vlog for poultry keeping. And welcome. Let's go. We're going to do a vlog. Welcome to Kibdance Studios. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so that you can find a notification. So we're going to our chicken coop. I'll show you a first chicken coop that is ahead of us. We do free range chicken farming, and I can show you just a few of our chicken. Those are our chickens, if you can see them. Those are just a few. Some are away, and this is the coop that I built last year. This is for chicken, small chicks, so we can open this side. This we have a door here, so that is the inner side. But unfortunately, the discrepancies with this is that cleaning of it is difficult. But so I upgraded today to a more nicer coop. You can see this one. This one I built within a day. This is what I constructed I myself. Let's check inside. This is our door, and let's go inside so that you can see the chicks. While seeing the chicks, these are the chicks. They are so happy inside here. So those are our chicks. Those are the feeders. Oh, their food is over. Give them a small amount. I can get inside here. So the advantage with this coop is that because of the area we are in, it's so cold. So this chicken coop is more better, because down here it's made of wood, but the inside is so clear, so clean. Even cleaning of the inside is very nice. You can see behind us is an avocado tree and a plum tree here behind. So here we had a bush, so I had to clear the bush and construct this coop. So let's check those chicken broody, those ones sitting on eggs. So let us cross this one. I'm here to make door hinge, and this one also. The advantage with this is it's so warm for the chicks. You can keep their mother with them for just a week, and you can put them in. So you just close it. So this is a transparent material for sun. Okay, let's go inside our chicken coop. See, we have can hear the noise of that. And she's sitting on eggs. I just gave her today. Actually, I gave her 7 eggs. We have this one. This one is the mother of chicks, so she fears the rest of the chicken. So she's the mother of the chicks that are in that coop. And she can be so frustrated by cook, so she keeps staying here for her safety. And here the chicken was sitting on eggs. Can check. No, she's friendly. She's friendly. No, she's sitting on eggs and eggs. This one is so defensive. She defends her eggs so much. And back here we have the door of our main house. You can see I was trying to remove the chicken poops, but I found that when you use a wire, this net wire, it's so difficult to remove the chicken waste. So I prefer next time I'm building, I've been using the bigger one instead of that one. And also let's check the size of the prawn for a chicken. It's so big, you can see. And we have also a feeder here, and it carries up to 2 kgs food. This is also a feeder, water, which carries 4 liters. So I just empty it that way. You clean it, you pour that one, so it's clean. Each and every morning we refill this water with warm water to avoid having fatalities. This one, I hope it was evening. Could have find many hens here. Chip, 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 chip. Let me try to call them in. You see, this is the biggest feeder we have here. It's about 7 kgs. So it will assist us with feeding those many chicks. We have about 21 layers, about 2 cocks, and the chicks also. But from those who are broody, they are also these chicks. And you see, it's evening now. They're trying to scatter. I just brought them from separate. I had divided this coop into 2 so that it was enough for different sizes of chicks. But I've seen it swell. They are in this bigger coop, so they can breed. Thank you very much. This until next time, we shall have